Hi SMEs. Two major keywords that should be on the lookout or that is trending right now on social media. NRS, which is Nigerian Revenue Service, or FIRS as they were formerly called. And the other one is penalties. I'm sure as small businesses, you want to scale up. But of course, you have the NRS to be worried about. Why should you be worried about NRS? Because we know that the new tax law for 2025 that took effect January 1st, 2026 mandates that small scale businesses will now have to pay their taxes. They now have to pay their corporate income tax. But how do you know what tax you need to pay if you don't have a record? I have one of our clients told me that she has an accountant and then the tax filing consultant who charges her a different amount every year, and she doesn't have an idea how they come about the figure. Why? Because she doesn't have an online record. Most businesses, most corporate small businesses in Nigeria today do not keep records. And that's why we've created InvoiceX. InvoiceX is a platform, an e-invoicing platform that helps you to generate VAT-ready, NRS-compliant invoices. Also, help you to keep your digital records. You can log in anytime, see what your net VAT position is, and also you'll be able to see at the end of a period, quarter, or year, see how much sales you've made and see if you meet the tax exempt threshold. Because a lot of businesses keep physical records and it's difficult to track papers that you've run for a year. But with InvoiceX, you'll be able to see all your sales, all your customers, all your transaction history, as the case may be. All the invoices you generated, they're there forever. It doesn't wipe out. And you can export your records as a CSV file, probably to be uploaded to another ERP or for your accountant or your tax consultant to be able to do your filing. Without a record, the taxman we always use what is referred to as BOJ, best of judgment, in determining what your tax standing is. It is simple to use, it's intuitive, it's a web app, and you can log in anywhere you are in the world. So right now, if you're a small business and you don't have an online presence, you don't have an online tool that you keep your records with, then you're missing out a lot. You'll be paying penalties that you shouldn't be paying. And then, of course, an accountant who is a consultant or a tax filing consultant could take advantage of you. And in addition to all of this, businesses do not know that you can get tax refunds. The new tax law also allows you to be able to put into consideration the VAT, the 7.5 that your suppliers charge you, and then net that out or off with the 7.5 that you charge to your customers or your clients. You can't do this manually. InvoiceX is one of the few platforms in Nigeria currently that allows you to know your net VAT position by factoring in your input VAT and your output VAT, and then you see your net VAT position and you see what you actually owe NRS or FIRS, as the case may be, at the end of the month or quarter or at the end of the year. Without this, you will not know if you are paying too much or not. So do yourself a favor, sign up to invoicex.ng today. We're currently running the promo for a 7-day trial period where you can test the platform unlimited, generate professional invoices. In fact, InvoiceX is the only platform in Nigeria right now that goes the full document cycle, meaning that you can generate a quotation, that same quotation, convert it to an invoice, and once that transaction is consummated, convert it to a receipt to send to the client, either via WhatsApp or via email, as the case may be. You want to see what it looks like? Please click the link below or above this post to sign up for a free trial and take InvoiceX on a test drive.